What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. So today's video is going to be about the fortune hunters. Okay, so if you are within the ecosystem investing in COF, TFM, FOF, MOF, or whatever, Elk of Fortune, okay, you already know that the website is down. So every time you try to have access to one of those projects, you will find this message. Okay, so this one right here is fortune hunters, FOF. Okay, so if you click on MOF, you will find the same error. Okay, why? Because the team or the project, so the DOS attack started on MOF. Okay, guys, so somebody tried to spam the website, so the website got shut down for 24 hours. But no reason to panic, because what's happening is only the main page that's down. Okay, guys, the smart contract still intact. Okay, guys, the smart contract are secure. Okay, so if you don't have the smart contracts on your list and you want to interact with the smart contract, like claiming, investing, or reinvesting in case of TFM, okay, you can use the Moonarch. Okay, Moonarch, it's a platform where you can find all the ROI dApps. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna give you example of what's gonna come up first. Um, what's first? You have to scroll down because all those projects are old and they go by date. Okay, so Farm of Fortune, for example, is being running for 158 days. Contract balance has 61 BNB. So if you want to interact with the smart contract, you come over here and hit this one right here. Okay, so over here we'll take you to the Farm of Fortune smart contract. Okay, guys, so even though the front end doesn't work, the back end works because the smart contract is intact. And full transparency right here, guys, the team is also feeding the smart contract, so they sent 33 BNB, okay, to keep the smart contract going, while some people are panicking and just withdrawing. Okay, because prior to this attack, okay, we were seeing lots of investments and also withdrawals. Okay, but now, because many people don't know how to access the smart contract from the back end, people are just claiming or don't not doing anything. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to interact the smart contract, even though there is a video on the Fortune Hunters Telegram group where the guy shows you step by step how to do it. Okay, guys, so you can either watch my video, go there and do the same thing. So you click on the contract and then you come over here, write contract. Okay, guys, so it will load up, and then once loads up, you will have to connect your wallets. Okay, confirm. So once your wallet address pops up right here, that means you are connected. You will see a green circle right there, and then all you got to do, depending on what you want to do, you got to scroll down and you can see the invest button over here is for you to deposit BNB. Okay, and over here it's the plan. Okay, so the plan one, the 200-day plan, it's the plan you type in 0. Okay, guys, so usually that's where that plan that people go to. Okay, so you type in the amount of BNB, so for example 1 BNB, and then you type in 0, because it's the plan that you want to roll with. Okay, and over here you type in your address. Okay, if you want to withdraw, okay, very simple, guys, you don't have to do anything but write. So you type in write, you pay the MetaMask gas fee, and you will receive the funds in your wallet. Okay, so that's an example for Farm of Fortune. Let's go further down. Let's find another one. Let me see if I can find Elk of Fortune. Oh, Elk of Fortune is now open source. Okay, so let me try Cake of Fortune if I can find it. Cake of Fortune right here has been running for 314 days. Damn. Woo! 314 days in DeFi is too damn long. It's like decades. Okay, so shout out to Fortune Hunters. Okay, so this is the Cake of Fortune 71K. As you can see right here, the website might be down, but the backend is still there, still up and running. Okay, And same thing, you come over here, contracts, and then you write contracts, okay? And then you will find the functions, okay? So you got sell X. So over here is for you to claim your rewards, okay? And hatch X is when you compound, and buy X is for you to make a deposit. Okay, guys. But yes, if you're not comfortable with these kind of things, guys, I would recommend you to wait for the websites to come up. Okay, guys, because it's just gonna be a few hours, just a matter of hours, and in about 1 hour and 35 minutes there will be an AMA. Okay, guys, so they will give us an update about what's happening and what's gonna happen moving forwards. Okay, so yes, guys, that's that. I just wanted to give an update about the Fortune Hunters ecosystem, guys. When um, haters see a project doing well for so long, they will try everything to bring that project down. Okay, guys, and usually creating those attacks will cause panic. A lot of people will panic, and most of them, they don't read the pin message on the TG group, so they will start saying, "Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Rug, 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 rug." It's not a rug, because if you come over here to the smart contract, you can see the smart contract still have funds. Okay, so definitely not a rug. Okay, so please read the pin messages before you come to the group chat and say, "Oh, this is a rug," or "This is that, this is whatever." Okay, guys, don't say that, because team has been legit. Okay, as you can see right here, Elko Fortune 39K. Team has been solid from day one. They keep delivering what they promise, so we have no concerns in regards to the team. Okay, it's just haters that want to bring the ecosystem down, but the team is coming back stronger than ever. Okay, guys, so we gotta stay there to support the team. And we just gotta keep doing our thing. Reinvestment 25%, 50%, 75, whatever the amount you are investing. As long as you reinvest, you are contributing to the ecosystem and to the longevity of the ecosystem. Okay, that being said, guys, just be patient. Websites, they're going to be up and running in no time. Everything will be back to normal, and the team add an extra layer of security to protect the websites from those attacks. Okay, but guys, hackers are getting clever and clever every day. Okay, guys, so we just gotta be patient. Okay, again, funds are safe. You got nothing to worry about. Just sit tight and listen to the AMAs that's gonna be live in 1 hour in 33 minutes. Okay, guys, that being said, I am going to wrap this video up. Mischief of Fortune has 150 and 43K in a smart contract. It's been live for 74 days and still going strong. So as you can see right here, all the smart contracts are intact. Okay, what's happening is just the front end that's down because of hackers. Okay, that being said, stay tuned in, be patient, and don't FUD.